How to fix TikTok filter not showing. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you the steps on how you can fix filters not showing up on TikTok. Well, without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now if the filter is not showing up on TikTok, it can just be your internet connection. So you want to first make sure that it is not the internet issue and that you're connected to this stable internet connection. Now if you have made sure about the internet connection, then it might be the region that you are in. Sometimes certain effects are not available in your region, so you can try and use VPN by installing the VPN from your Play Store or App Store and switching it to a different server. Now, also it can just be a glitch or a bug. To fix the glitch or the bug, you can either go ahead and uninstall the application and reinstall it, or you can simply clear the cache for it. To clear the cache, open up TikTok, head over to Profile and head over to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and you should find the option Free Up Space. Tap on it and then tap on Clear Cache, and this should fix the issue. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.